Hi, my dear students. Hello, parents. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sri Damodar Raghuji Memorial English Medium School. In the last class, we have studied about the shapes. How many shapes we have studied? Yes, we have studied 5 types shapes. What are those? Circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle. Yes, no children? So I will ask you some questions on that topic. Shape of the coin, shape of the bangle. Yes, circle. What? Circle. And the shape of the egg, oval. Correct. And shape of the carom board, square. Correct. And shape of the door, rectangle. Yes, children, good. So shall we start a new topic? Okay, today we are going to learn about the plants and trees. Today we are going to learn about the plants and trees. See, plants spelling Plants, plants, and trees, Trees, trees. Children, you all have seen no plants and trees. Where we see plants and trees? We see many more plants and trees around us. Okay, today we are going to learn how plants grow, and what plants need to grow, what we get from the plants and trees, and how plant become a tree, and types of plants. Today we are going to learn about these points. How plants grow. ಗಿಡ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಪಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಿಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಥರ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, how we need food now to grow? Yes, like that plants and trees also need food. Food means what type of foods? Yes, now we'll learn about the how plants grow, what plant needs to grow, how we eat food to grow, no? Like that plants and trees also need food to grow. What are the foods of plants? Sunlight, it is a food of plant. Sunlight, sunlight, sunlight. If plants are not get sunlight, what will happen? Plants will die, plants will not grow. So plants need sunlight to grow. It is the food of plants. Next, see what it is. It is a water. Water also food of plant. Plants need water to grow. WATER, water. Children, you should read all these spellings. Water, WATER, water. If the plants not get water, plant will not grow. And we also need water not to grow. Yes, like that plants and trees also need water. See next what it is? It is soil. Soil also food of plant. Soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Plant needs soil to grow. S-O-I-L, soil. These are the food of plants and trees. What need plants to grow? Sunlight, water, soil. Plants and trees need to grow all these things. Next move. Now we have seen food of plants and trees. Now we will come to what we get from the plants and trees. What we get? We get these yummy fruits. Yes, no? We get no fruits from the plants and trees. Yes. Fruits spelling F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Why we need fruits? Fruits we need to keep our body healthy. Yes, no children? So, we have to eat fruits. Okay? We get fruits from the plants and trees. And next what we get? Another, yes, flowers also we get from the trees. Yes, no? Trees and plants. Flowers also we get from the plants and trees. These are flowers. These are flowers. See? Here many more types of flowers are there. Yes. Flowers spelling F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. What are the uses of flowers? We make garland to perform the puja of God. We make garland to perform the puja of God. And we also use flowers for decoration. I think you all have seen birthday parties, marriages. Yes. There you have seen no flower decoration. Yes. And also flowers are useful to make perfume and soap. These are the uses of flowers. Next, and we also get shade from the tree. Shade means neralo. We also get shade from the tree. Why we need shade? To protect our body from the sunlight and rainy water, and also to take rest. We need shade. Shade spelling S-H-A-D-E, shade. And here in this picture you can see a man is standing now under the tree. Yes, he is taking rest. And also we get wood. We use wood to make tables, chairs and doors. Yes. Wood spelling W-O-O-D, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. And we get oxygen from the trees. We get oxygen from the trees. Oxygen, it is very essential for all living things. Okay, oxygen means what? Yes, ghali. We need oxygen to breathe. And plants also help us to keep air clean. Oxygen spelling OXYGEN, oxygen. And shelter to birds. See the picture, it is the shelter of bird. How we have home now? Like that, birds also have their own home. It is bird home, means shelter. So trees gives shelter to birds. Children, till now we have studied about the food of plants and trees and uses of plants and trees. Now we will learn about the stages of growing plant. Children have seen stages of growing plant. Do you know about the stages of growing plant? Okay, I will show you how plant will grow. There are some stages are there to grow plants. What are these? These are seeds. Seeds andre ಬೀಜಗಳು. Children, did you see seeds? Okay, seeds spelling SEEDS, seeds. SEEDS, seeds. We need seeds to grow a plant or tree because some trees or plants can be grown from seeds. So what we have to do? We take seed and first we will dig the soil little bit and put the seed into the soil to grow a plant. It is the first stage of the growing plant. See in this picture, you can see he is going to put a seed into the soil to grow a plant. Put the seed into soil. Soil spelling is SOIL. It is first stage of the growing plant. And next, when we keep on pouring the water, within next day or a second day we will see sprouts. You can see here sprouts. Sprouts means ಮೊಳಕೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳು. Children, do you eat no sprouts? Yes. When we keep on pouring the water, we will see sprouts on that seed. It is the second stage of growing plant. Next, when we keep on pouring the water, what we will see? We will see sapling. Sapling is nothing but a small plant. Spelling of sapling SAPLING, sapling, and it is the third stage of the growing plant. And here you can see smooth stem and leaf. Stem and leaf. It is a small plant. It has no bud, no flowers, because it is the third stage of the growing plant. Next, when we keep on pouring the water, what we will see? Yes, we will see plant. Now seed become a plant. Now our seed grown up as a plant. What all you can see in this picture? Yes, strong stem, leaf, bud, flower. ಬಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊಗ್ಗು, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೂ, ಲೀಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆ. ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ PLANT, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್, PLANT, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. This is the fourth stage of the growing plant. And after that we keep on pouring the water. After few years we will see a big tree. Now a seed become a tree. Spelling of tree TREE, 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 tree. Got children? Growing stages of plants. Yes, for this from this activity we come to know plant or tree we will not get in a one day. Correct, no children? I hope children you all are understood. I will explain you again. First we have to put the seed into the soil. This is the first stage, and seed will come into sprouts, sprouts will come into sapling, sapling will come into plant, plant will come into a big tree. These are the stages of growing plant. Children, for your better understanding you have to do one thing. What is that? You have to plant a seed. How? Do you know how? Yes. First you have to take few seeds and take on pot, dig the soil little bit and put the seeds into the soil and keep on pouring the water daily. And after a few days we will see plant, and you will come to know stages of growing plant. Now we will learn about the parts of plants. Children, how we have body parts, like that plants and trees also have parts. What are those? See what all you can see here? Yes, these are roots. Roots andre ಬೇರುಗಳು. Roots means ಬೇರುಗಳು. And we see roots in underground only, not upside. Spelling of roots. These are roots. ROOTS, roots. And it is stem. STEM, stem. And bud. Bud andre moggu. BUD, bud. Leaf andre ele. LEAF, leaf. Color of leaf green. Next flower. What it is? Flower. Flower andre ಹೂ. Spelling of flower FLOWER, flower. These are the parts of the plant. Got children? Parts of the plants. Next let's see parts of the tree. Children, these are roots. Where we see roots? Yes, in the ground. ROOTS, roots. Roots andre ಬೇರುಗಳು. Next it is a bark. Bark, BARK, bark. Bark andre ತೊಗಟೆ. Next what are these? Leaves. Leaves andre ಎಲೆಗಳು. LEAVES, leaves. Leaves means ಎಲೆಗಳು. And color of leaves green. Next branch. BRANCH, branch. Branch means ಟೊಂಗೆಗಳು. See here, you can see branches of the tree. This is branch. and it is also branch. It is also branch. These are the branches of a tree. Next, we will come to types of plants and trees. Children, we can see many more types of plants and trees in our surrounding. Yes, no children? Have you seen no types of plants and trees? Yes, here herbs are there. Herbs are the types of plants. Herbs. Herbs meaning small plants. And herbs is very useful to prepare the medicine. Let's see examples of herbs. Mint. Mint means pudina. mint, mint. Next, tulsi. Tulsi plant it is. Did you see tulsi plant? Yes, your mama will perform the puja at tulsi, no? Yes, and it is a holy basil. Means it is a god tree. Tulsi. Coriander. Coriander. Coriander means kothambri. These are the plants. These are the examples for herbs. Next, grasses. Grasses are the types of plant. See, grasses, grasses. If it is small, we called as weeds. What? Weeds. And if it is big, we called as grass. And it is very useful to cow and buffalo because food of cow and buffalo, grass. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are also type of plants. Shrubs means what? Big plant. It is bigger than the herbs and smaller than the trees. And we get from the shrubs rose. Means we get from the shrubs flowers. Rose, hibiscus, bougainvillea. Which plants are giving flower? No, those all are shrubs. Next, trees. These are the examples for a type of trees. Here we can see three types of trees. Banana tree, mango tree, coconut tree. Trees are bigger and stronger than the plants. Banana trees gives us bananas. Mango tree gives us mangoes. Coconut tree gives us coconut. These are the examples for a type of trees. Got it, children? Now I will give one homework that is in your worksheet book. Look at the words given in the bracket and label the parts of the plant. See here they have given words. First you should read all these words and next what you have to do? You have to identify the parts of the plants and write the parts of the plants. What are these? These are roots. Spelling of roots. This one ROOTS, roots. Write roots. Spelling ROOTS, roots. Next, what it is? Stem. Write stem spelling. It is a stem spelling. STEM. Stem. Next it is a bud. Where it is bud spelling? Here, bud, B-U-D, bud. Next, leaf. Leaf spelling, this one. L-E-A-F, leaf. Next, what it is? Flower. Flower spelling, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Children, it is your homework. You should write all these parts of plants in your worksheet book. Next, another one work is there, that is number the pictures according to the stages of plant growth. Children, already I shown you how the plants will grow. Yes, no? So here what you have to do? You have to identify the number stages of growing plant. First, what will come? Yes, we need seed. First stage we need seed. So it is the what we should write here 1, because it is the first stage. And next what will happen? A seed come into root. Seed gives root. So it is a number 2. Next what will happen? A root will come into sapling. Next, after the 3rd stage, what we will see on the plant? Stem and leaves. Correct. It is the number 4th. After stem and leaves, what we will see? Bud. This is 5th stage. After this, we will see flower, and after that we will see fruit. These are the stages of growing plant. Here we can see 7 stages of growing plant. You should give the number according to the stages of plant growth. It is also in your worksheet book only. Next, it is for writing practice. Write parts of the plants 5 times. Write parts of the plants 5 times. Okay. Stem, S-T-E-M, stem. R-O-O-T, root. B-U-D, bud. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. L-E-A-F, leaf. Children, you should write 5 times and send it on WhatsApp. This one and those both work also. That is in your worksheet book, and you should write all these parts of the plants in your EVS notebook. Bye children. Thank you.